Yesterday, I had a bad day.
A bad day?
Yes, I was tired, slow, and I did nothing important.
I think many people feel this way.
But today is different
Why?
because today I changed my routine.
Ah, this is interesting.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Bridge, where learning English is easy and fun. Today, we're talking about how to change a bad day to a good day. So, Emma, tell us, what happened yesterday? Okay, listen carefully. I woke up late, I stayed in bed, and I checked my phone for 30 minutes.
Oh no, that's the beginning of a bad day.
Yes, I felt lazy, I skipped breakfast, and I started work late.
No energy, no focus.
Exactly.
So, what did you do?
Last night, I made a decision,
A big decision?
a simple one. I said, tomorrow, I will start fresh.
And today?
Today, I woke up early at 6 a.m.
Nice.
I did not check my phone. This is very important.
Very important.
I opened the window, took a deep breath, and smiled.
That's a great start.
Then I made coffee and I wrote my plan.
What kind of plan?
Only 3 things: study English, finish my work, and exercise.
Simple and clear.
Yes, not too much, just enough.
So, how was your day?
Much better. I finished my work, I felt focused, and I was calm.
That's amazing.
And the best part?
What?
I was proud of myself.
What about the afternoon?
I felt a little tired, so I went for a walk.
Good choice.
Yes, after that, I had more energy again.
And your evening?
Very simple. I ate dinner, listened to music, and relaxed.
No stress?
No stress.
So, Emma, what did you learn?
I learned that a good morning creates a good day.
That's powerful.
You don't need a perfect life, just a better start. Let's review some words. Wake up, plan, focus, energy, relax, routine.
These words are simple but very useful.
Now it's your turn. Do you have a good routine or a messy routine?
Write in the comments. My routine is...
Thank you for listening to English Bridge.
If you liked this story, please like, subscribe, and share.
Remember, small changes, big results.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.